Salmon are amazing fish that have a complex life cycle. They are born in freshwater streams, where the female digs a nest called a redd and lays her eggs. The male fertilizes the eggs and then both parents die. The eggs hatch into tiny fish called alevins, which have a yolk sac attached to their belly. They stay hidden in the gravel until they finish their yolk sac and become fry swim to the surface and start feeding on insects and other small animals. They may stay in their natal stream for a few months or up to a year, depending on the species. Some species, like sockeye, migrate to a lake instead of staying in the stream. When they are ready to go to the ocean, fry undergo a transformation called smolting. They grow scales, change color, and adapt their body to salt water. They also start to swim downstream, usually at night to avoid predators. They reach the estuary, where the river meets the sea, and spend some time there to adjust to the new environment and feed on plankton and small fish. Estuaries are very important habitats for young salmon. Once they enter the ocean, salmon grow rapidly and travel long distances to find food. They may spend 1 to 7 years in the ocean, depending on the species and the conditions. Some species, like chum, may travel up to 2,000 kilometers from their home river. Salmon face many dangers in the ocean, such as sharks, seals, whales, nets, and pollution. When they are mature and ready to spawn, salmon use their sense of smell to find their way back to their natal stream. This is called homing. They stop eating and rely on their stored fat for energy. They swim upstream against the current, sometimes leaping over waterfalls and rapids. They may face obstacles such as dams, culverts, or fishing gear. They also have to avoid predators such as bears, eagles, or humans. When they reach their spawning grounds, salmon choose a mate and repeat the cycle of digging a redd, laying eggs, and fertilizing them. After spawning, most salmon die within a few days or weeks. Their carcasses provide nutrients and food for other animals and plants in the ecosystem. Some species, like steelhead trout, may survive and spawn again,